Hello, my dear children. Today, let us study chapter number 19, Amazing Birds. Birds are the animals that have wings to fly. So, you can write question, what are birds? Different kinds of beautiful birds are found on the earth. Let us know about some amazing birds. Look at the pictures, read the descriptions and name the birds. You may use clue box. Number 1. This is the largest flying land bird in the Western Hemisphere. Condor. It is predominantly a bluebird with a white chest and underparts and a blue crest. It is blue jay. It is a large water bird with a long beak and a large throat pouch used in catching prey. Pelican. This is one of the few animal species known to be able to recognize itself in a mirror. Magpie. It is a long-winged, well-footed seabird with a raccoon's call, typically having white plumage. Its gull. This is a bird famous for its distinctive crown of feathers. Hoopoe. These are small, dabbling ducks that show bright green wings patches in flight. Teals. This is a bird best known for its call, which sounds like a loud, echoing human laughter. It's kookaburra. Value-based knowledge. Birds are living beings which live with us, so we should not tease them. So question can be, why should we not tease birds? Chapter 20 are intelligent friends. Some animals show their intelligence like humans. Children, there are some animals that show their intelligence like humans. These unique features make them special for us. Here are pictures of some intelligent animals with brief descriptions. Can you name them? Number 1, it has a capability to do mimicry and has an excellent memory. Parrot. It uses complex sounds to communicate within the group very effectively. Whale. It uses its brain to create and make social interaction. Elephant. It has a very sharp memory to remember where it has stored food. Squirrel. It can learn new skill easily and is quick to respond to human training. Is Labrador dog. It has the ability to recognize itself in a mirror. Dolphin. It can manipulate its environment like humans. It can use tools to do certain tasks. Chimpanzee. Chapter 21, Branches of Medicine. Given below are some branches of medicine and the particular area they deal with. Can you match them correctly? Number 1, care of infants, children and adolescents. Pediatric. Study of bones and its diseases. Orthopedic. Study and treatment of mental disorders. Psychiatry. Diseases of the lungs and the respiratory system. Pulmonology. Study, diagnosis and treatment of cancer and the other malignant diseases. Oncology. Diseases of the kidneys. Nephrology. Blood and its diseases. Hematology. Endocrine glands and hormones. Endocrinology. Treatment of the organs of digestion. Gastroenterology. Disease of the heart and cardiovascular system. Cardiology. Medical care of the elderly. Geriatric. The skin and its diseases. Dermatology. So my dear children, you revise the chapters that we have studied. May God bless you all. Thank you.